Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you are all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell icon so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others or in the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Personality segment, we clarified the characteristic traits of Enneagram Type 9 Wing 8 personality. In this episode, we elaborate on the traits of Enneagram Type 9 Wing 1, the negotiator, the deal maker. Enneagram Type 9 Wing 1 people tend to identify the most with Type 9, but they share several traits of Type 1 as well. Type 9 Wing 1 people are given the name negotiator. As lovers of peace, they are always willing to discuss matters with others, consult others when needed, cooperate with others, and make a negotiated settlement in order to maintain peacefulness in their environment. They are called deal maker because they are open minded and see diverse perspectives of a given situation, attentive to its details, always willing to talk about it to those concerned, to make a bargain if needed, settle related issues, bring together people in conflict, and thereby reach a deal that is acceptable to the parties involved. Type 9 Wing 1 people, influenced by Type 1, tend to be more idealistic and serious than other Type 9 people. They are independent in their thinking, stay strong in their opinions and perspectives, and view situations philosophically and idealistically. They also attend to every detail in a given situation and maintain a great sense of punctuality. They tend to be much focused, precise, clear headed, able to make quick and definite judgments, and have a great insight about the situation or the topic they are dealing with. Type 9 Wing 1 people are hardworking, creative, and friendly in their behavior. They balance the calm and easygoing 9ness of Type 9 and the more principled and structured oneness of Type 1. Type 9 Wing 1 people, rather than quietly accepting a problem, rise above the problem situation, demonstrate a willingness to work with others, and attempt to make right what went wrong. Instead of getting lost in fear, anxiety, or worry, they move into action with certainty and purpose to bring a sense of peace and harmony to the troubled situation. Type 9 Wing 1 people find it difficult to express their needs and disappointments as they fear alienating other people by hurting them. As a result, they often get caught up in doing what they should do rather than what they want to do. This makes them to move themselves and the world around them towards perfection. However, since they often have a fear of being wrong, their journey towards perfection may be hampered by distractions and procrastinations. Type 9 Wing 1 people's basic desires are to live a peaceful life both internally and externally and possessing what matters to them. Hence, their basic fears are lacking peace within, being separated from the rest of the world, and losing what matters to them. So, when confronted with a situation of insecurity where they lack peace within themselves and with others, and fear that they will lose what is really mattering to them, they use twofold defense mechanism. Either they defend themselves in a situation that is insecure, by numbing their negative emotions through repetitive patterns of behavior and by avoid facing their own internal struggles, thereby believing that they are at peace with themselves and others, though the peace they have is by denial of their problems rather than true peace, which is a typical type 9 defense mechanism. Or they defend themselves against insecurity by attempting to make their idealized and peaceful world a reality in their present living context, which is a typical type 1 defense mechanism. Strengths of type 9 wing 1 people. They are optimistic, organized, and orderly in their life. They prefer to follow a routine lifestyle and to perform actions that are moral. They dislike disturbing peace and balance in their life. They are capable of seeing many sides of a situation. They desire to help and improve the lives of others. They maintain a strong work ethics and focus. They possess deeply rooted motivation and purpose. They are able to remain open minded, that which motivates type 9 wing 1 people. When they have consistency and routine in their lives, when they are able to help and bring positive changes in others' lives, when they are able to bring peace between warring groups or people, when they receive support and acceptance from their peers. Shadow traits of type 9 wing 1 people. They fear misfortune or being separated from others. They tend to numb themselves to their problems and negative emotions. They have a tendency to overlook and ignore their own needs. They are overly critical of themselves. They tend to be cold and aloof when stressed. They find it difficult to face problems head on. That which brings stress and strain on type 9 wing 1 people. When they make a wrong choice, when they disappoint others, when they are overlooked and unacknowledged, when others ignore their personal needs, when they fail to accomplish a particular goal. How to deal with type 9 wing 1 people? While communicating with them, help them to feel safe so that they can listen to what you are communicating and to express their thoughts and feelings about what you have communicated. Offer them encouragement as they do a good job. While having a meeting with them, tell them the purpose of the meeting directly and clearly. Be attentive to what they communicate during the meeting. While writing to them, see that you can create a personal connection with them by using small talk or initial conversations. Then discuss the goals and tasks you wanted to convey them through your letter. While giving them a correction, be constructive rather than destructive and handle with care while sharing their faults and limitations. Do not forget to highlight their contributions and appreciate them. While resolving a conflict with them, express your point of view of the conflict situation clearly. Help them share their perspective. Be open to each other and work out a mutually acceptable solution. Since type 9 wing 1 people are modest, open minded, great at making peace, have a deep motivation to help others, and thrive in environments that allow them to contribute on a large scale and utilize their mediation skills, careers in the fields of counseling, nursing, pharmacy, animal care, diplomacy, environmental science, museum curating, human resource development, and religious service would suit them. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.